So in this video, you'll learn how to turn live captions on or off on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So you want to start by opening the Settings app and then scroll and select the option Accessibility. Under Accessibility, tap on Hearing Enhancements and then select the option Live Caption. From here, in order for you to enable live caption, just tap on this toggle to turn it on. Confirm your choice, and now you'll be able to use live captions on your A36. You can scroll down even further to customize your live caption settings. So for example, you can install language packs. So you can tap on Add Language and install any of these language packs that are available for you. You can go back and you can even choose to enable sound labels or disable them. You can choose to show or hide profanity. You can even customize how the captions will appear on your screen. So just have fun customizing all of these options whenever it comes to your live caption. If you ever want to turn off live caption, you can just tap on the toggle like that and it will be disabled. You also have the option, you'll notice that when you scroll down, to enable live caption in volume control. So once it's enabled, now whenever you access the volume control menu, so you press on any of the volume keys, tap on these three dots, and then you should see this live caption icon in the volume control. So whenever you have this feature enabled, it means you can use this shortcut to enable or to disable live caption on your Galaxy A36. So you don't necessarily have to come to settings. Once you've finished customizing it to suit your needs, you can just use this shortcut to turn it off or to turn it on. If you have this feature disabled, you'll notice that the live caption shortcut is no longer there. And so it's completely up to you to decide how you're going to be using live captions on your A36. So that's how you can turn live captions on or off on your phone. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.